Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jerry Z with Rovi Homes. We're at my new listing, 56 Sunnyside Road in Southwick, Mass. It is a beautiful remodeled 4-bed, 2-bath cape, 2 acres of property across the street from the famous ranch, which we'll get some footage on. Let's go take a look. Thanks for joining me on the tour of this beautiful remodeled cape. If you have any questions about this house or any others, contact me below. Remember, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, contact me, Jerry Z, because I want to work with you. See you on the next one.